Welcome to the Peter Mac Melbourne Cancer Centre. We know how challenging it can be attending the hospital for your treatment. We want to help you find your way around our main centre located in the Victorian Comprehensive Cancer Centre building. Your appointment letter will tell you where your appointment is located, and this video will provide a detailed view of each floor in the building that patients can access to help you find where you need to go. This detailed information is also available to download in a summary document. You can also look at our overview video if you just want to see a brief description of the building and how to get here. Peter Mac is located at 305 Grattan Street, Melbourne, opposite the Royal Melbourne and Royal Women's Hospitals. The main public entrance is on Grattan Street, opposite the Royal Melbourne Hospital. The building consists of 13 above-ground floors and 6 basement floors. Patients can access our services on the basement 1, ground floor, levels 1 to 3 and 5 to 7. The other levels of the building are restricted to staff and to corporate or research partners. The main lifts that patients access are on the far wood-panelled wall from the ground floor welcome hall. These lifts access levels B1 to level 7. If you arrive by car, you can park or be dropped off in the public car park on basement levels 3 and 4 accessed from Flemington Road. From the car parks, you can take a lift up to the ground floor welcome hall. We will now take you through each level of the building that you can access in more detail. Please report to reception for any patient services you visit. And remember, if you are not sure where to go, just ask at one of our staff reception desks. There are several different sets of lifts in our building that access different levels. The car park lifts link the basement car parks to the ground floor. The main lifts you will use are located at the wood-panelled wall past the pink couches and stairs on the ground floor. These are labelled as lifts P, Q, R, S and T and can take you to the patient access areas from level B1 to 7. The research lifts are used by staff and corporate visitors to access our corporate and research areas. The ground floor welcome hall and atrium are the main points of arrival in our main building. We have a team of staff who will meet you when you first arrive at ground floor and will help direct you. You can also visit the main reception desk if you need any assistance. There is a welcome lounge area for patients to wait for admission and transport with 2 separate desks for these functions. Patients arriving for surgery, outpatient procedures or inpatient admissions are asked to report to the admissions desk in the welcome lounge. Our volunteer shop and centre can also be found near the welcome lounge. The ground floor also houses our place of peace where you can take time for reflection. This is located on the other side of the building. The Super 8 Cafe is also on the ground level. Radiation therapy is located on basement level 1, shown as B1 on the lift panel. You can access this floor from the stairs in the ground floor welcome hall or from the main lifts. Please report to the reception desk at the base of the stairs when you arrive. Our staff will collect you from one of the radiation therapy patient waiting areas when they are ready for you. Level 1 is home to our Patient Wellbeing Centre and Garden, providing a quiet, friendly place to use between appointments. This level also houses our palliative care ward, familial cancer centre, youth cancer centre and immunotherapy clinic. The Wellbeing Centre can be accessed from the stairs up from the ground floor or towards the left after exiting the main lifts. Opposite the Wellbeing Centre is the Familial Cancer Centre, which offers cancer risk assessment, genetic counselling, genetic testing and medical advice and management. Just past the Wellbeing Centre is the Palliative Care Inpatient Ward 1A. Visitors to the ward must report to the reception within the ward area upon arrival. On the opposite side of the floor and to the right as you exit the main lifts is the UCAN Youth Cancer Centre. This is where patients aged 16 to 25 years can relax, study or rest, complete with a kitchen, television, games and music instruments to enjoy. The immunotherapy clinic is also located on this level, past the Youth Cancer Centre and the car park lifts. Level 2 is home to our specialist clinics and other services that patients will use when attending for an appointment. This level is accessed via the main lifts or the stairs from the ground floor. Your appointment letter will tell you which clinic you need to report to on arrival, and our staff will help you if you are not sure where to go. The 2D Specialist Clinic and reception is to the right after exiting the main lifts, and the 2C Specialist Clinic and reception is on the opposite side. These are the main clinics you may attend to meet with your clinical care team for treatment planning tailored to your needs. The Patient Information Hub is next to the Clinic 2D reception, providing you with information to help you understand your cancer and treatment. The Pathology Clinic is located near the top of the stairs alongside a small cafe for patients and visitors. Past Pathology is our pharmacy service where you can collect prescribed medication and the cashier. For example, if you need to get a parking concession ticket or to pay for any appointment costs if relevant. Our day therapy clinics and inpatient ward 3A are on level 3. Inpatient ward 3A is to the left after exiting the main lifts. Visitors to the ward must report to the reception within the ward area upon arrival. In front of the ward is a small cafe for patients and staff. The day therapy receptions, consultation rooms and clinical trials service are located in areas 3B and 3C. 3C is to the right after exiting the main lifts and 3B is opposite the main lifts. Please remember to report to the clinic reception when you arrive. Our staff will help you if you are not sure which clinic you should be attending. Level 4 is not accessible for patients, housing our pathology laboratories and corporate offices. Cancer imaging and inpatient ward 5A are on level 5. The 5A inpatient ward is to the left after exiting the main lifts. Visitors to the ward must report to reception within the ward area upon arrival. To the right after exiting the main lifts is the 5C cancer imaging waiting area and reception for CT and PET scans, mammography and ultrasounds. The 5B imaging waiting area and reception is opposite the main lifts and includes MRI scans and X-rays. Remember to report to the relevant reception area when you arrive for cancer imaging. Your appointment letter will give you information, or our friendly staff will help you if you are not sure which reception to report to. Our surgical facilities and inpatient ward 6A are located on level 6. If you are coming for a surgical procedure, please report to the surgery reception to the right after exiting the main lifts. The theatres and the surgical short stay unit are located in the area behind this reception. The surgery reception staff can help you access the short stay unit if needed. Surgical inpatient ward 6A is found to the left after exiting the main lifts. If you are visiting this ward, please remember to report to the ward reception upon arrival. Level 7 is known as our education level. This level includes the loft cafe and roof gardens to the left after exiting the main lifts. This area is open for patients, visitors and staff to relax. Our education centre houses lecture theatres and teaching spaces located to the right of the main lifts. Levels 8 to 13 house corporate offices and research laboratories and are not accessible for patients. These floors can only be accessed via the research lifts. Please report to the relevant reception area for the service or facility when you are visiting our corporate or research teams. Levels 8 and 9 include research support facilities and office spaces. Levels 10 to 13 include facilities and offices for the Royal Melbourne Hospital researchers on Level 10, the University of Melbourne researchers on Level 10, and Peter Mac researchers on Levels 11, 12 and 13. The Victorian Comprehensive Cancer Centre Alliance offices are located on Level 10. The Peter Mac Executive offices are located on Level 11. The Peter Mac Research Reception is located on Level 12. Staff roof terraces can be found on Levels 12 and 13. Level 13 is also home to our event space and the Australian Genome Research Facility. Remember to ask for assistance if you need help in finding your way around our main centre. For more information on finding your way around Peter Mac or to download a summary wayfinding document, please visit our website at petermac.org and search Finding Your Way Around.